We're at Lorne Findlay's funeral today. This is a bunch of antique cars outside the church. This is an Auburn. This is the 1912 Rio that he drove across Canada in 1997. It's an old fire truck here. It's an old Model T. This here is a 58 Imperial. Big car. This is a Falcon convertible. This is a Packard. This is a Packard. This is a four-door convertible. This is a 68 Chevelle. This is a sedan delivery here. This is a brass Model T here. Really nice. Here's the inside. White tires. This is a 1929 Model A here. This car is a Dodge Brothers. It's about a 38. There's a lot of people at this funeral today. This is an MGB, 75 to 80. There's a 71 or 72 MGB. This is another 29 Model A. Fox body Mustang.